We like to talk about garden trends every year, and we're going to focus just for a little bit on hardscape and furnishings because people don't think about that. Here's one of the deals. People are still very interested in creating good spaces for them to live in and wildlife to live in, regardless of whether you're talking pollinators or creatures like foxes. The kicker on hardscape materials now is just like trends in the landscape world. Some of the materials that we have used are disappearing. So that means if you need to match or you need to expand a patio, you're going to have to use a different material, get it to blend well with whatever you've already got. Pergolas and vertical gardening are really hot topics again, of course, because of urban situations. We sort of set the trend years ago on our pergola, which is our entrance to the backyard farmer garden. Solid, good materials, sustainable best practices. You can grow vertical gardening things on it, or you can do things on it that are just beautiful instead. And of course, containers are still a big hot object. You can do whatever you want to with your own containers in your landscape. Pick and choose for color, pattern. The same sort of idea holds true on actual pavements in your patio area.